The 2026 Honda Civic Base continues to prove why the Civic remains one of the most trusted compact sedans in America. This latest base model focuses on reliability, efficiency, and smart design, while keeping the price accessible for everyday drivers. The exterior carries a clean and modern look with a wide grille, sharp LED headlights, and smooth body lines that improve aerodynamics. Honda keeps the styling simple but confident, making the Civic Base appealing to students, families, and first-time car buyers alike. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda Civic Base is powered by a responsive four-cylinder engine designed for strong fuel economy and smooth daily driving. The engine delivers balanced performance for city commuting and highway cruising, paired with a refined, continuously variable transmission. Steering feels light yet precise, and the suspension absorbs bumps comfortably, making long drives less tiring. This model is built for efficiency, offering excellent mileage that helps drivers save money at the pump. Inside the cabin, the Civic Base offers a clean and functional interior with high-quality materials for its class. The dashboard layout is simple and driver-focused, with easy-to-reach controls and a digital instrument display. A touchscreen infotainment system supports smartphone integration, allowing seamless access to navigation, calls, and music. Cloth seats provide good comfort and support, and the cabin offers generous legroom for both front and rear passengers. Trunk space is also impressive, making it practical for groceries, luggage, or daily errands. Safety remains a major strength of the 2026 Honda Civic Base. Honda includes its advanced driver assistance features as standard, giving drivers confidence on every trip. Features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and traffic sign recognition help reduce stress and improve overall safety. These systems work smoothly in the background without feeling intrusive, which is ideal for new and experienced drivers. The 2026 Civic Base also shines in long-term value. Honda's reputation for durability and low maintenance costs makes this car a smart investment. Insurance costs are generally affordable, and resale value remains strong compared to competitors. This model is perfect for buyers who want dependable transportation without unnecessary extras. If you are looking for a compact sedan that delivers comfort, safety, efficiency, and proven reliability, the 2026 Honda Civic Base deserves serious attention. For more honest reviews, detailed specs, and the latest updates on new cars, make sure to subscribe to USA Car Update 2026 and stay connected with future automotive content. Honda has also improved sound insulation for 2026, resulting in a quieter ride that feels more premium than previous base models. Climate controls are straightforward and effective, and multiple storage spaces add convenience for daily use. Overall, the Civic Base delivers a well-rounded driving experience that focuses on what matters most to real drivers every single day. It stands as a smart choice for buyers who value quality engineering, dependable performance, modern safety, and everyday comfort without paying extra for features they may never need today.